On payouts, okay, we covered that. Buy and lay, you can cut the, buy bets, you can cut the payoff out in the come, just like place bets. Lay bet, you're just gonna drop credit behind. Let's say we have a $50 lay. Just set that next to it. Put it in the don't come, the player wants to come back up, they'll drop you $1. You can tell the boxman, vig's in, or they may want you to hand it to them, in which case just hand it over to them, that's fine. Buy bets are paid. It's up in the come. Hand them off just like lay bets. I'm sorry, just like place bets. $100, you want to stay up on your buy bet? She says yes, drop me $2 please. Let's say she doesn't have $2. Well, just go ahead and 3 green, 4 and 5. You want to stay up, keep the 2, give her the rest. You can make change like that for commission as part of the payoff on a buy bet. You can do it for lay bet too. If they don't have it, I would drop the money in here first so you can clearly see it's been paid right. Then bring it to the come and break it down to change. First 8 payoffs for place bets. Okay, and how would you place a bet? Oh, then a couple prop box questions. Okay, now for the 8, 6 and the 8, I want you to notice the cap. First one is, it's just 6. 6 is going to pay 7. Okay, everybody knows that, not a problem. So that was 6. 12 pays 14. Run out of chips. Cut the payoff out in the come. Stack it up with the outside hand, square it up, and we're going to hand it off layout. So 12 pays 14. That's 12. 18 pays 21. That's how you cut out 21. 24, there's 24. Now you would not bring these out in the come. These would stay up on the, where they're at in the place. I'm just bringing them out there so you can see them so they're not hidden by the other bets. So the camera can see them. 24 pays 28. Whole bunch of different ways you can cut out 28. One is just as good as another. Easiest way is just to pick 5 and 3. There's 5, and there's 3. That's 28. The player has a lot of red. That's 28. That's fine too. You want to get fancy. That's 28 also. How we did that was pick 3 white, your outside hand, a little bit of red in the inside. You're going to go out, drop 1 red check, put the 3 white on top of that, so it's 4 checks high. We're going to size in with the rest of the red. So we got 4 red there, 5 red, that makes 25, 3 white makes 28. Okay, everybody catch that? That's 24. 36, or 30, just 35. So there's 30, 35. I want you to see a similarity between 6 and 7. You see how they're proportionally the same? Okay, you'll see that a lot. So that's 30. 36. Now I want you to take a look at these, because on the 6 and the 8, having a proper cap on the bet can help you with the payoff. What I mean by cap, take a look at this. See how the white are offset? And then as we get up here, I got white and red offset. One key for the 6 and the 8 on the first 10 payoffs is the payoff is the bet plus the cap. So here the bet's 36, the cap is 6, 36 plus 6 is 42, and that's the payoff too. Okay, how do we know that? Well, 36 divided by 6 is 6, times 7 is 42. How do you cut out 42? There's no great way to cut out 42. Pick 2, drop 4, size in. That's about the easiest way to cut out 42. So that's 36. Next one. Ah, look at that, 42. But there's the cap. The cap is always proportional to the base. Okay? Everybody see that? So we got 24 out there. See how there's a definite relationship between the cap and the base? Let's take a look at 36. Okay, does everybody see it? Okay, good. So 42 is going to pay 49. Now you can cut out 49 a couple different ways. If the player needs red, you can pick 4 white, a whole bunch of red, set the white down, size in twice and drop 1. That gets us to 49. Everybody see how we got there? You can just pick what you need. 4, 4, and a green. That's 49. If the player has a ton of red and a ton of white, you can cheat and go 50 for 1. Yeah, I know. Don't start doing it either. Not yet. That's 49. Last one. 48 plus 8 is to be 56, which is the proper payoff. Again, there's no easy way to cut it out. You can cut your 5, 5 and 1. You can use green. The player's got a lot. Bring that out. As the game progresses and as you get better, start looking at the rack in front of the player and cut out your payoffs based upon what they have in the rack and what they're playing. So if they're playing the majority, they're using red checks, then give them the payoff all in red. If they've got like 2 stacks of red, then you can go ahead and give them green. Don't move them up to the next color until they have at least 2 stacks of the color they're using.